In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix slow FaceTime calls when you're on bad internet. We've all been there, trying to have a meaningful conversation over FaceTime, only to be interrupted by laggy, pixelated video and choppy audio. The good news is there are several key steps you can take to improve the quality of your call, even on a less than ideal internet connection. Let's dive into these solutions to enhance your FaceTime experience. First, let's talk about connectivity. If you find yourself on a cellular data connection, it's highly recommended to switch over to a Wi-Fi connection if it's available. Wi-Fi generally offers better stability and speed compared to cellular data, especially if you have a strong signal. Simply navigate to your device's settings and make sure you're connected to a reliable Wi-Fi network. This alone can make a significant difference in the quality of your FaceTime calls. Next up, let's focus on your device's performance. Oftentimes, having multiple apps running in the background can strain your device's resources and your network connection. Closing these unnecessary apps can help free up some bandwidth, giving FaceTime the priority it needs to function more smoothly. Go through your open apps and exit any that are not in use to optimize your device's performance. If connectivity issues persist, it might be time to reset your network settings. This can help resolve any lingering glitches that could be affecting your internet connection. To reset your network settings, go into your iPhone settings, navigate to General, then to Transfer or Reset iPhone. From there, select Reset, and then choose Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will remove all Wi-Fi passwords saved on your device, so be prepared to re-enter them after the reset. Lastly, if you're still experiencing issues, consider changing the network you are using. This might mean switching to a different Wi-Fi network if one is available, or opting for a better cellular connection if you're on the go. Being on a stable and fast internet connection is crucial for FaceTime, so it's worth seeking out the best possible option your current environment offers. In summary, if you're dealing with slow FaceTime calls, start by ensuring you are on a solid Wi-Fi connection. Close any unnecessary apps to ensure your device's resources are directed towards FaceTime. If problems persist, reset your network settings to clear up any hidden issues, and explore alternative network options if possible. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to having smoother and more enjoyable FaceTime conversations. Thanks for watching and happy FaceTiming.